Andrea Del Rosario. Ayaw palang maging sexy star noon, ngunit walang pinagsisisihan dahil guminhawa ang kanilang buhay. Buong tapang na binalikan at nag-open up ang batikang aktres na si Andrea Del Rosario. Ito ay patungkol sa kanyang naging image noon sa showbiz industry. Sa kanyang naging panayam with King of Talk na si Boy Abunda, inamin ni Andrea na hindi niya talaga gusto maging isang sexy star noon. Kung maaalala, sumikat ang sexy actress noong 2000 bilang isa sa mga miyembro ng girl group na Viva Hot Babes. Kasama niya nga riyan sina Gwen Garcia, Maui Taylor at Katja Santos. Gayunpaman ayon kay Andrea, hindi niya ito pinagsisisihan dahil ito umano ang naging daan upang guminhawa ang buhay nila ng kanyang pamilya. Naitanong ni Tito Boy Abunda kay Andrea nung inilatag sa kanya ang pagiging isang sexy star. Tinanong umano ito kung talagang gusto niya. Ang sagot ni Andrea, of course not. Pagpapaliwanag pa niya, but my drive kasi at that time was to help my family. My drive to work was because of my family. Ayon pa sa kanya, like what I said, nagkahiwalay po yung mga magulang ko, and then it was just my mom, and then she had to take care of the four of us. So yun yung parang opportunity ko to somehow move forward in life. Yan ang kanyang pagkukwento. Kasunod na inusisa naman ni Tito Boy Abunda, ano nito, you were torn at a certain point. Tugon sa kanya na batikang actress, as far as I can remember, yes, but of course, syempre, parang kinondisyon ko na rin yung mind ko to have the right kind of mindset na don't regret any decision that I made. You just do it. And yun, that's what I did. Yan ang kanyang pagpapaliwanag. Paliwanag pa nga ni Andrea Del Rosario, of course, we are all given the freedom of choice. And at that time, I had to choose to survive. And that was the opportunity that was given to me somehow to move forward. Ngayon matagal na sa entertainment industry si Andrea. Bagamat nagkaroon ng sexy image si Andrea Del Rosario, isa naman siya sa mga artista na hinahangaan ng publiko dahil na rin sa galing niya sa pag-arte. Pagtatanong pa ni Tito Boy kay Andrea, women above 40 in the industry, what can you say about that? Ayon sa actress, I've been in the business for almost 30 years. Parang nakikita ko na it's so much better na. We are given more choices, better materials, more freedom. So yeah, we have the likes of Miss Dolly De Leon, Miss Ruby Ruiz, that excel not only here in the Philippines, but also international.